Hi, it is our last full day today. So we are out shopping at the moment. Steve's just gone in the shop. We're just chilling in the car waiting for him. It's a bit dull today. It had forecast lots of rain, but had a couple of spots and that's about it so far. Anyway, this video is Discovery Cove. Now, if you've never done it, this is an amazing place. You can do the dolphin swim, but we didn't. Because me and Steve already done it and the girls are a bit too young for it anyway. So it was a little bit cheaper not having the dolphin swim, and it also helped not having the dolphin swim because we messed up on the days. We were supposed to go on the Sunday, but we had it in our head that we were doing the Monday. Yeah, major panic on Sunday night. Steve woke me up at 2 o'clock in the morning going, Lise, I've messed up. And let's just say I didn't really sleep much after that. But anyway, we got in because we weren't doing the dolphin swim. We could get in because they'd got spaces left on that day, so that was fine. We went in. It is an amazing place. It's all you can eat all day, so you get breakfast.
You can even have snacks.
Yeah, you get breakfast, then there's snacks laid on. Then it's all you can drink, beer and wine as well, from I think 10, I think it was. So Steve had to wait a bit till he could have some beer. And then there's the pool with all the rays and fish in there, so you can go swimming in that. They give you a snorkel and mask. You have to wear either a wetsuit vest or a full wetsuit. The kids had the full wetsuit. I mean, I say full, it was sleeves, short sleeves. But me and Steve had the vest because, well, to be fair, it makes it a lot easier when you go into the bathroom anyway. But then, yeah, so you get snacks, then you get lunch. They serve lunch up till I think about 3 o'clock, and then the place closes at 5. So we did the rays, we went in the lazy river, and then we went and saw the birds. Yeah, just had a lovely, relaxing, lazy day. We got extremely sunburned because they give you sun cream.
Animal friendly, not human friendly.
Animal friendly, sun
Not
cream.
human friendly.
But yeah, it doesn't really work. We all got better. I mean, this is the end of the holiday and I'm still all quite red and I've peeled and everything because we were just like red and sore by the time we came out.
I didn't peel.
Lauren has. I think Lauren's the only one that hasn't peeled. Erin peeled a little bit on her arms, but me and Steve cropped it the worst. They helped because they had the wetsuit on which covered the top of their arms. It's like our shoulders and stuff that we really caught it. But yeah, it was a fantastic day. We loved it. I would do it every single time we came if we could afford it because it's quite expensive. I think it's about 100 and something odd pound per person to do it. It's quite expensive, but it is lovely. It's a lot cheaper if you're not doing the dolphin swim, but yeah. Hope you enjoy it because we did. Enjoy the video and we'll catch you at the end. Well, we are here. We are at Discovery Cove. Da, 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 da. We've had a little bit of a oh my god moment because we didn't realise it, but we'd actually booked it for yesterday. So, but luckily, because we're not doing the dolphin swim, we're all good. So we're still allowed in. Yay! Wow! Did you just read Happy Birthday all by yourself then? Hey, you got a special birthday one? Oh, we've got to go this way. We've lost them. Ah! Don't fall. Well, that was extremely lucky because apparently the people next to us had done the same thing. But unfortunately, because they had the dolphin swim on their package, they haven't been able to come in. But, hey. We're in. Well, the squirrels are very daring. I had one come right up to me. But this is food. Got some like little potato bites, some scrambled eggs, a French bread stick. Oh, careful, Erin. Have you got some milk? Danish and some yogurt and granola and some melon. The girls have got chocolate chip muffin and a waffle, and now they've been and got some cereal. Have you got some milk for your cereal? Oh, it was. Look at my little girls all dressed in wetsuits, ready to go and swim. Oh, you're so cute. pina colada, flavoured icy. Just needs a bit of rum in it, but they don't start serving alcohol till 10:30, so just have to make do with just the icy. But it's yum. Very nice. And today it's nice and sunny. We're sat in the sun. I'm getting nicely warmed up, which I'm going to need if we're going to be going in the very, very cold water. So yeah, we're just sitting here watching everybody having their dolphin experiences. It's very nice, very chilled. The girls are making sandcastles. So Steve's trying to convince them to eat the icy, but Erin's eating it. Lauren's not so keen to try it, but they wouldn't like this one because it tastes of coconut. The mango one, I think they'll like. Erin's eating it anyway, so that's the main thing. So yeah, it's just very nice at the moment, just chilled. And I think we might go and see the birds in a bit. See if we can get one to land on one of the girls' hands, because apparently they're a bit more active during the morning. So we'll go and do that in a bit. And then yeah, just have a little wander around, maybe go and have a little swim. Yeah, we can go in a minute. So it looks like we're going to the Grand Reef. Lauren's not going in there because it's cold. Let's dip feet in. To be honest, that's not as bad as I was expecting, although it is only the shallow bit.
Mom, can you go back and get my... Mom, can you get my goggles?
Yeah, we'll just go back and get it in a sec.
Can we go in now?
So lunchtime, we've got an impossible burger. So that's impossible meat and some cheese. And then Steve's gone to get some fries because the fries that they got could have been contaminated with chicken tenders. So he's gone to order some fries because I completely didn't do it. And then Erin's eating mac and cheese. And Lauren's nearly finished her burger. And then I'm drinking a Bud Light. So, all good. Is it nice? So, burger's been given the seal of approval by Lauren. And Steve's coming over with extra food now. Food. Come on, you two. Cabanas. There's the bar. Some pineapple softs. Oh, hang on. Take my shoes off. Do you want to go and have a look at the rays again, Erin?
Kept also thinking these here, those were the blue fish. I was getting
Oh, pictures. And there's where the dolphins are. I think there's one over there. There's one. One right there. I think they've just finished the session by the looks of it. Everybody seems to be coming out of the water. The dolphins are probably going off to have a little play. You can't go in with the dolphins. You've got to be able to swim to go in with the dolphins. Are you ready to go in?
Yep.
Yep. Look at me. You cheeky. Well, back in to do some snorkeling with the rays. I'm going to film these three going in, and then I'm going to have to take all my stuff back to the locker and then go and join them after, because I can't leave my bag out. Well, there's a lot of people in there at the moment. So this is the Grand Reef etiquette. Stow your shiny objects. Let sleeping rays lie. Pleased to meet you, and be respectful of the animals. Don't chase them. Oh, and look, there's one literally just behind you there. Look. Ready?
1, 2, thumbs up.
Are you sure?
It's the same water. Cheese, Avery. It's just you're wearing a headband.
Cheese! I think your mask needs pushing up a little bit. That's it. Yeah, it must be a group of friends, yeah. Oh, look, there's the big one. Look over there. The long one. That looks like a shark. Oh, look at that one there.
I'll just bring him with me and he'll just sit over there.
Stay right in front of you. Ah. Don't go too far, I need to be able to find you. Don't forget, I won't have my glasses on. Well, snack break number 4 or 5 possibly. Some pineapple ice cream for this one. And then pizza. Pizza. And pizza. Pizza. And then Steve's having some wine. And I'm having a Coke because I'm designated driver.
Because there's breakfast and then this one.
Yeah. Cheese ball. Nice pizza. Hey! You off onto the lazy river? Have fun! See you at the Avery. Bye bye. Lazy river going out that way. Oh, God, I feel full. Shouldn't have had that pizza. Right, my 3 have disappeared off down the lazy river, but I'm going to meet them at the Avery. They're all over there somewhere. So you've got to walk down this way. Having to be careful because I haven't got any shoes on, so I've got to be careful. So if you walk down here, and then the Avery's just down here.
My brain become like a weird thing where I was like,
But that's the lazy, well, that's the marmosets. The lazy river kind of goes around everywhere. I don't know where they've gone.
Every bathroom I went to, there ain't no bathroom.
Disappeared somewhere.
that's good.
Ah. Well, here's the first problem, because this is where I was supposed to meet them. The bar. So here's another bar. And then over there is some seats where you can get your drink and then go and sit in the water and drink your drink. Well, I am where we said we were going to meet. They are not. I don't know where they are, but I'm not going to panic. It's not like they can go anywhere. So I think I'm going to go in and look at the birds myself, and then we will see if they make it in. But I thought they'd have made it round here by now, but they must have gone past it and not seen it. I thought I might see him inside the Avery, but I didn't, so I'll go in by myself and then wait for them. They might not come out. They like the lazy river. Now Erin wanted to go through the waterfall. Right, see if we can get a bird. Oh, straight on me. Hello, birdie. Wow.
What does it feel like? Is it hard?
No, it's a little bit pinpricky, but it's okay. Do you guys want to have it?
Put your arm out, Erin.
Put your arm out.
So
Oh, he's having mine now. Oh, he's gone now.
Right, go to him, Erin. He might come on.
Go on, you go over to him.
Put your arm out, Erin.
He's like, I'm not sure whether that's a secure footing. Go on, put your bowl up to him. Erin, you're feeding the birds. Oh, very good. You're trying to get your own bird. Oh. Sorry. Whoa. Just had another one on my arm.
Didn't get any more?
I just had another one land on me. Put your arm out, that's it. Did you have a big piece out of yours, Erin?
You want to hold it? You want to hold one? You might not, because he's eating this. Oh. Is he going to have a look? Well, Lauren, put your oh. There you go.
Yep. On my arm. No. I don't know. Maybe I've got bird-friendly arms. I don't know. He likes your food, doesn't he? I think he's just got his foot in mine. He's got warm feet, I have to say. Hey you. Are you eating all my food? Hello. You got some pretty colours on you, haven't you? Woo! Yes. Go on, just crouch down by him again. There you go.
That wasn't my food.
Beautiful birds. Good birdie. Hello.
Little bird.
Hey. Oop, and he's gone.
Ooh, that's a jumping bird. Look how much they ate.
I know, yeah, you've got hardly any left.
The type of those birds ate all that.
Pigeon. Ooh, look at all the amethyst geodes in here. They look so cool. So these three are going back, oh my gosh, back in through the waterfall.
So we'll go there and then make this inside.
Okay. Right then, you're going in the waterfall. Shall I film you going in the waterfall? you liked it. Keep this short because my intro was rather long. Yeah, again, fantastic day. We had the best time there. It was amazing. Yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.